My name is Matthew Thorburn. I started my student placement here in September. What made me choose Eorla was the region. I wanted to be in a bigger city because I'm from a bigger city, as well as being at a bigger placement site, a bigger hospital. There's lots of staff, lots of resources. In general, there's lots of hands-on experience. There's always people to ask questions to. You see a wide array of testing. So there's lots of good reasons that makes it a good experience for a student or even as to start your career in. In my hematology rotation, something interesting that I was able to see was various malaria samples that came in. That's not something I got to see in school. So getting to work those up, making the thick and thin smears, doing the DNA testing, staining them, that's something that was really interesting. It's not something that they could mock up in school. So, if my peers were considering doing their placement here at Eorla, I would tell them to come with an open mind and be ready to sort of immerse themselves in the experience. Not be afraid to make mistakes. There's lots of resources. Everyone here is very friendly. You'll definitely have the opportunity to learn lots while you're here. I'd like to wish all of my mentors and colleagues a happy MedLab week.